Role of Higher Educational Institution in Viksit Bharat 2047, Strategies, Opportunities and Challenges Haibasida nini chupna chathagadaba National Seminar ngasi Thawal Okrumda leba Waikomani Girls College WMG Shigi Seminar Houdokhre Waikomani Girls College na Manipur University gi College Development Council ga khutchamnarga sinduna pangthokiba National Seminar adu haudokpagi thauramda Danamanjari University Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Professor W. Sanbabu Singh Athoiba Mitungnen Waikomani Girls College ki Principal Professor Ais Manoranjan Sharmana Thaurammapu aduga Manipur University ki College Development Council ki Director Professor Ais Sukhadeva Sharmana akhanaba mitungnen oina saruk yakhi ngasi ahanba numitta tongan ba college university singdagi lakpa delegate singna rock of NEP 2020 in transforming skill development and employability, digital pedagogy and artificial intelligence, new frontier in education, environmental sustainability of oil palm cultivation in the Imphal Valley, sports management skill and job opportunities, a comprehensive analysis, challenges and opportunities of higher educational institution in Viksit Bharat 2047, importance of Manipuri language in NEP 2020 Amadi. NEP 2020 as a transformative roadmap haibana chingba tongan ba paper kuntramapan puthoktuna khana nainagani hayeng numit nini chanba loisinba numit ke technical session da retired principal Dr. E Jaduna chairman aduga assistant professor Dr. N Durendrana reporter oiduna pangthokani session aduda Guwahati University Assam ki Department of History ki Geology ki Professor J.C. Kalitana resource person oina wangangani amadi tonganba college university degi lakpa delegate singna tongan ba subject kuntrama panda paper pathoktuna khana nainagani hairi